Welcome back to Supercar. Today, I've got something exciting to share with you. I spent a whole week with the new Volkswagen Tiguan R Line 2024, and there were some surprises, good and not so good. I'll be breaking down everything I discovered about this SUV, from driving dynamics to those hidden features that make all the difference. And hey, if you're enjoying this review, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated on all things car-related. First impressions: bold, eye-catching design. From the outset, the Tiguan R Line stands out with its sleek, sporty lines, signature LED headlights, and R Line badging. It's clear that Volkswagen aimed to make a bold statement with this design. If style is important in an SUV, the Tiguan delivers with a refined yet aggressive look. Driving experience, power and comfort. Combined under the hood, the Tiguan R Line features a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine with 184 horsepower and 221 pound-feet of torque, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. This combo makes for a smooth drive, with enough power for city and highway use. While it's not a high-performance SUV, the Tiguan feels agile, with responsive steering that makes city navigation a breeze. Fuel economy, impressive efficiency. The Tiguan R Line manages around 24 miles per gallon in the city and 31 miles per gallon on the highway. An impressive balance for its size. Throughout my test week, I made fewer trips to the pump than expected, a significant plus for regular commutes or road trips. Interior and comfort, roomy and premium feel. Inside, the Tiguan R Line welcomes you with a premium touch. The seats are comfortable, with high-quality materials giving the cabin a refined feel. There's ample cargo space, and even with passengers, legroom remains comfortable. This spaciousness adds a lot of practicality to the Tiguan's appeal, making it versatile for various needs. Technology and infotainment, intuitive and well-equipped. Volkswagen's 10-inch touchscreen infotainment system supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so syncing a phone is simple. The digital cockpit also allows for customization, letting you adjust the display to highlight essentials like navigation, fuel, and speed. Overall, it adds a layer of convenience to the drive. Safety features, confidence on the road. The IQ.Drive Safety Suite brings peace of mind, offering adaptive cruise control, lane assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. These features worked seamlessly during my drives, making both city traffic and highway journeys stress-free. Storage and practicality, versatile and adaptable. With plenty of storage and hidden compartments, the Tiguan R Line accommodates everything from grocery runs to weekend adventures. The space is well planned, with flexibility to suit both daily needs and travel. Pros and cons recap. Top pros: stylish exterior and sporty look, comfortable, spacious interior, reliable tech and safety features, efficient fuel economy, smooth handling. Top cons: power is adequate but not exhilarating. Rear seating could be tight for tall passengers. Slight lag in touchscreen responsiveness. Final verdict: is the Tiguan R Line right for you? The 2024 Volkswagen Tiguan R Line is ideal for those looking for a balanced SUV that offers style, comfort, and solid tech without a high-performance edge. It's a well-rounded option for everyday life, fitting into city commutes and weekend getaways alike. What are your thoughts on the Tiguan R Line? Share in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Supercar for more in-depth car reviews. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.